Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Wix website. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to manage.wix.com and make sure you are already logged in. In here, you're first going to open a new tab. Then go to Namecheap.com. Then click on Account. Now, tap on Domain List. In here, you're going to click on the home icon that says Domain List. Now, these are steps on how to locate your domain list over at Namecheap. We're going to follow these instructions over at Wix, so we can connect both Namecheap and Wix. Now let's go back to Wix. In here, let's first publish. Once done clicking, go to View Site. Now let's wait for the website to finish loading. Once we are here, we are going to highlight this account or this website. Now we're going to copy it. Now let's go back to Namecheap. Once we are on Namecheap, we are now going to scroll down. Now just follow the instructions coming in from Namecheap.com. It's the easiest way to do it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.